Before this, I was working as a strategy consultant, downtown. And while working at this company, I was known as the smoothie guy because I would come to work every morning with my mini blender on my way to work, stop by the local supermarket, get the ingredients, and blend smoothies for my colleagues. It really opened my eyes to how much it benefited the rest of my team by having a healthy smoothie routine, a healthy kind of breakfast in general. My name is Tom Zhang. I'm the founder and CEO of Zenblen. Zenblen is a food robotics company based in Chicago, and we have a robotic smoothie bar that makes health and wellness more accessible. Zenblen was really incubated out of mHUB, and we were there for nearly 5 years. As a founder, a lot of times in those early days, it feels really lonely. So having a community like mHUB, I think is absolutely critical to the incubation of the idea. Personally, as I reflect back on kind of major milestones at mHUB, I remember the day that we got our first small office. When I first joined mHUB, I didn't even have a desk. It was just a floating desk I would go around. To go from that to, at that point we had a team of 4 and a small office, kind of a dedicated desk. Seems small looking back, but at the time was a huge moment for the company. You want to go to an environment where the community is supporting you so that you can kind of build it up to a point where you can kind of fly away from the nest in a sense.
Seeking a contract manufacturer wasn't an easy task. It took us a few months to really vet multiple partners.
And as we looked, we wanted to be comprehensive and have a set list of things in the RFP that we were looking for a partner.
What we were looking at is that passion, proximity, especially during such an early stage. A big bonus with our contract manufacturer, Nue, is that they are located in our backyard.
And something as small as the ability to get there really, really quickly was absolutely important. And that was the advice that I received from other founders. Folks who have been through the manufacturing process before and have scaled up quickly, emphasize how important that was. And Nue fit the bill for that. Zenblen's gone through countless iterations, and kind of the experience in a product that we have today is dramatically different from what we started out with. And a couple of years' time, I think it's going to be another very different user experience from what we have today. And that's just part of it. That's okay. That's just natural part of kind of innovation.